this is how the wig is looking on my head. Very classy, very mindful, very demure. I'm not doing too much with it. I literally just came back from school. So we're gonna call her Susan today. Susan came to my salon and she was like, girl, I need to change my hair. I need a new hairstyle. And I'm like, well, that's why I'm here. So I'm going to take out your old braids and I'm going to put in new ones, right? And Susan was so happy. So I just literally started the process. I did not lose the entire hair because why would I do that? Then I applied some product gel. Kinika, what's it called, my dear? What's it called? Edge control, bawo. Yeah, I applied some. You please, I'm being mindful and demure in this voiceover. Okay, so simple. I added 3 strands of the first feeding hair, which is this way. I think it's very easy. I've been doing this in a lot of my videos. Very self-explanatory. I'm just going to make it like 6 strands again. I'm trying to create this like what's it called? Knotless braid. Yeah, knotless braid. Then I added 9 strands again, just to give it that volume. I'm trying to give it a little bit of volume. I'm using bobby wool. So I added 6 strands again. So I added 4 feedings before I started doing the loose braids, which was the whole idea. You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. So I kept braiding this part. I was braiding tight till when I finished braiding Susan's hair, not the dummy. When I finished braiding Susan's hair, her real hair, then I started going in with doing the loose braids, which you're gonna see in this next clip. Yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet, but I can't be quiet because so this voiceover is just fun. So this is how I'm making the loose braids. It's exactly like the word loose braids. You can make it the first way or this way, if you know all those experts, magicians, people. I don't even know how they be doing this thing. They're so fast. But yeah, you can do it this way. See how slow I am just braiding this thing, trying to show it to you guys. Very slow. I'm not perfect when it comes to this one at all. But it gets the job done faster than the first method I was using, which is just like braiding it regularly, but just braiding it a little bit loose. Now I'm taking the longest strand, 2 strands, and I'm tying it there just to give it like a draft of where I want my length to be. I might go ahead and change it. I might work with that. I don't know. And that's it. Very simple. Very simple. I'm just going to do it again. I always show you guys what I do twice. So this is going to be in fast mode. Or the video is short. So let me just leave it like that. Right. Okay. So let me tell you guys a story. I have this other channel called Baby Girl Luchie 001, which is also on TikTok. That is on that channel. I show myself. Should I say that? Yeah. So I just show my regular self. My regular self is not regular. I'm telling you something. You're not gonna know. This is literally me doing this voice note without trying to be all ethical or all professional. I'm just being, demure and mindful and just being myself. Like, you're gonna know. So I'm sorry this voice note is going to be all over the place because I am all over the place in real life. So yeah, go please subscribe to that other YouTube channel. Is Baby Girl Luchie, and that is where I bring out exciting content, as well as this channel is also exciting. Yeah, this is where I show you guys how to make gorgeous braided wigs. So you can have your weaving under, you can do your protective hairstyle, you can, take care of your hair and all of that and still slay your wig and look so modest and look so cute. See, so I'm just going ahead and doing exactly the same thing I did before. Just again, this video is going to be very short. Yeah, very short. After braiding to where Susan's hair stops, Then I'm just going to continue braiding loosely. Knotless loose braids with yarn. I think that's going to be the title of this video. How to make this knotless loose braids with yarn. I'm not so bad, gone. So this is the other method of doing the loose braids. If you like, you can do this. If you like, you do the other one. And voila, that is it. Also tying it, you know. You guys, I look good. My stomach look good. Look at that. Flat tummy Jesus. This is all. Yeah, Susan is loving her hair. She was like, babe. I'm like, yo, yeah, I did it. We were just exchanging pleasantry while I was dragging her hair up and down in the mop. But yeah, I didn't show you guys how I got the yarn to be the size I wanted to. So this is the process I used. Don't mind my feet. I mean, mind my feet. Look at that. Gorgeous. The nails are sitting so perfect. What do you call okay, toenails? Toenails, yeah. The toenails is looking perfect. Gorgeous. Cut it to the length I want. I did this exact same process of rolling the wool on my what is it called? Big thumb, toe thumb, like then that was how I got the black wool. Whatever. I hope you understand. That was the same process I used to get the black wool at its length. So this is exactly what I have to even speed up this side because you know the economy is hard and even time is now expensive. So oh, I have to tell Susan, I want to put fire on your hair, but not your hair. So she gave me permission. So I didn't do any of this without her permission. It's okay. Don't be scared. I'm not like that. I'm like those nurses that when you want to, I'm like, I want to check your pulse. Then they check your pulse. It's not like if you say no, they're not going to check it because they're still going to check it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Please, I'm a fire bender. Don't go and put the candle on the wool and use your hand to, please. Oh, I have been doing this for a very long time, so I know when to wait, how long to wait for it to cool before I touch it with my hands. Please. You see, in fact, if I would have just brought water and show. See, after burning the yarn, please put water before you touch it. Gorgeous, demure, mindful, respectful, looking so gorgeous. I wore this to school and everyone was like, baby girl, you look good. Like and subscribe for more.